News is coming in. The BJP has blamed the Congress government now for the UPSC row, saying that the decision to implement CSAT was taken during the UPA tenure.
This is a sensitive issue because the decisions were not taken at the right time. It should have been taken a few years ago. But the UPA government, as always, chose not to move on anything. When Dr. Singh is saying he's talking to it, a report has come in by the Arvind Virmani committee. All aspects have to be taken in. At the same time, my appeal is to those who are protesting not to get violent, not to destroy public property or private property, because they are aspiring to be future civil servants who will serve the country. They shouldn't behave in that. When the government is saying it's looking at it, the government will come out with a solution which is to the larger interest of society. They must have some faith and patience.
Meanwhile, the Congress is targeting the India government over the delay and confusion in the UPSC exam formats.
ये सवाल आपको सरकार से पूछना चाहिए कि वो कहते कुछ और करते कुछ और। शिकायत हमारी यही है कि और आप आज दिन मुझे लगता है आजाद भारत स्वतंत्र भारत में आज के इतने साल के बाद कम से कम ये फैसला लें कि भाषा जितने भी अपने देश में है जो हम उसको रिकग्नाइज करके चलते हैं सबकी सम्मान करें कि एक इक्वल स्टेटस उनको दें। हिंदी भी एक रीजनल भाषा ही माना जाता है, कई अलग स्टेट्स से अगर आप तुलना में ले आएंगे तो प्लीज हम ये रेस्टोर करें ताकि देयर इज एन इक्विटेबल सोसाइटी फॉर अस।
Well, the impasse continues over the civil services examination, even as there was a uproar in Parliament over the English qualifying exam. The government quicker in terms of assuring a resolution. But the students who are protesting are alleging that with just 3 weeks to go for the UPSC exam, the government should actually postpone it and scrap the CSAT exam, which the government so far has said there is no question of postponement. Meanwhile, a panel appointed to examine the grievances of the aspirants has submitted its report to the government, and the government is likely to take a decision based on the report.
यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में भाग लेने वाले कुछ जो ऐसे छात्र हैं उनके द्वारा जो आंदोलन चलाया जा रहा है, इसे हम लोगों ने बहुत ही गंभीरता पूर्वक लिया है। हर पहलू पर सरकार विचार कर रही है और हाल में ही जैसा कि हमारे सहयोगी मित्र ने पहले ही आकर यहाँ पर बतलाया है कि एक रिपोर्ट कमेटी की जो यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के द्वारा बनाई गई थी, उसकी रिपोर्ट अभी एक दिन पहले ही प्राप्त हुई है और उस रिपोर्ट का अध्ययन किया जा रहा है। सरकार चाहती है कि जल्दी से जल्दी इस समस्या का समाधान हो जाए।
Now, the political fight has escalated with the exam date just a few weeks away. The opposition is questioning the government over the delay in taking a decision.